Yo, welcome to For Your Influence. In today's video, we'll be checking out Krispy Kreme Donuts. Now, again, just like Starbucks, if you watch a lot of TV shows, especially American TV shows, American movies, you always see this place. You always hear about this place, Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme entered the South African market in 2015 with its first store opening in Rosebank, Johannesburg. The company partnered with a local franchise operator, 4News, to bring the iconic donuts to South Africa. Since then, Krispy Kreme has expanded its presence in the country with multiple stores in various cities such as Johannesburg, Pretoria, and where we are today, Cape Town. The brand's signature glazed donuts and other delicious treats have gained popularity among South African consumers, contributing to Krispy Kreme's success in the region. Now, Krispy Kreme has a rich history that dates back to 1937 when Vernon Rudolph bought a secret yeast-raised donut recipe from a New Orleans chef, started cooking donuts, sold them, the shit blew up, became what it is today. Now, Krispy Kreme is a global brand. It's huge, it's everywhere, and people love it. Forgive my voice for sounding like this, by the way. I have the flu. Don't forget to subscribe, like, stay at home when you're not feeling well. Let's try some Krispy Kreme.
And this is what the box looks like, you know? Krispy Kreme dream, sometimes my dogs want to kill 12. Reminds me of that J. Cole line. J. Cole was rapping about Krispy Kreme donuts. Sometimes my dogs want to kill 12. This is the 12. This is the original ones. This is the 12 that you get free, right? For your birthday. So that you get these free when you buy 12 and it falls in the year or the period that your birthday is in. You know our South African dudes, how we are, man. We gon' finesse the game. And we gon' get us some 24 donuts for the price of 12. It's not my first time trying Krispy Kreme. I had one donut before, but I didn't have the original. Can't remember what that donut was, but it was okay. And then today, we leave in no stone unturned. Look at that. So what we have here is
chocolate mousse, Milky Bar, chocolate flake, strawberry sprinkles, cookies and Smarties, Nutella and hazelnut, a milk tart, a bar one, iced custard, cookies and cream, chocolate flake, and a cinnamon roll.
The first one I will be trying is the original. Let's check it out. I'll be honest with you. I haven't had a donut this good. It's the first time in my life I have a donut that tastes this good. It's not too sweet. As you can see, there's like a thin layer. There's this thin layer of icing. And it's... Look at that. Look when I'm gonna break a piece off. Look how soft that donut is. There is no way you will be able to replicate this at home. I don't care who you are. You could be Tony Stark. There is no way you can recreate this. This is the perfect donut. Yeah. If you go to Krispy Kreme and you want to try it for your first time, my suggestion here is order the original. And when you're done tasting the original and you know what Krispy Kreme is about, what they do, then you can start experimenting and then you can come over here. This is where most ladies would be playing around. Now, there is a donut that I picked that I really wanted to try. There's 3 of them. I'm not going to try all of these because I don't think I'll be able to handle all the sugar. So I won't be tasting all of these. But I think I can manage the 3 that I picked. And one of those is this one. This is the milk tart one. I picked this one specifically for me because I love milk tart. And why I picked it and why I think this is really dope is Krispy Kreme is incorporating a little bit of South Africa in the flavors. And milk tart is a South African thing. And they made a milk tart donut. Why has no one made a milk tart donut? Krispy Kreme had to come to South Africa from the States to come make milk tart donuts. If they did exist before Krispy Kreme, I apologize, but yeah, Krispy Kreme did it. Let's taste it and let's see, coming from a South African, if they killed it, if they made milk tart. Again, so this is the only way I can explain this. The original donut, they took the original, put this crust over it. There's like this crumbs. It's like a crust they created here, but it's crumbs. So this could be like a biscuit crumb type of thing. And some icing. I don't really get that. It's very like subtle, but I get where they're going. It needs a bit more work. Maybe what they could have done is, maybe they could have made a milk tart the traditional way, and maybe piped it inside of the donut, you know, and then you would most probably get more of that milk tart flavor. But I'm not getting milk tart really. I'm getting this. There's a bit of cinnamon in it. There's like a biscuit thing going on. There's a lot of icing on it, but I'm not really getting milk tart. So disappointing. I was so excited. I thought, hey, one of my favorites is here. Let me try it out. But maybe a suggestion, just make milk tart. Pipe it inside of the donut. So when you bite into it, you get milk tart. Well, there's one thing about Cape Town I can tell you is the birds here eat everything. They eat donuts, they eat KFC, they eat anything. If you're sitting here and you're eating these birds here, they eat with you. They're like humans. Now, this is the cookies and cream. Another one of my favorite things to eat, especially in ice cream. I love ice cream, and one of my favorite flavors of ice cream is cookies and cream. And here's a donut. Again, I'm trying things that I really like. Let's try this cookies and cream and see what they're working with here. Again, it's the original. They took some Oreos, crushed it up, put icing on it, threw some Oreos over it. It's not too sweet, you know. I think, yeah, these two that I've tasted so far, the original, the milk tart, the cookies and cream, they have a similar taste to it, but like the cookies and cream one has a bit more, it has that Oreo thing going on, that Oreo chocolatey. So I really like that one. I actually like the Oreo cookies and cream one more than the milk tart one. And it's not too sweet. Come on, man. I'm making a video here. He wants donut. I almost called the bird like a dog. Hey. In South Africa, you say,
A few moments later.
Just had to get rid of that bird quickly.
Now I know what it looks like. My posture was a little aggressive. The bird's alive. The bird's okay.
I'm back. Cape Town, man. You know, here's the thing about doing these videos and why it's fun. It's very unpredictable. Doing videos is very unpredictable. You never know what could happen. Anything can happen, literally anything. Birds just stick out, come make a noise, wanna be part of your video. But anyway, let's proceed. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Come on, man. Stop playing. Look at that. You know, they poked a hole there and they put some custard in the hole. Now, again, they're playing with me. They're putting custard inside of it. Let's taste it. Now, I'm not a fan of chocolate, but maybe I should. Okay, let me just taste it for what it is. Custard. Look at that. Oh, the sugar's hitting me. Here's the thing, right? I expected these. When you look at them at first glance, you'll be like, yo man, these things are like too sweet. They just look like they're overly sweet.
The bird came back with friends, and here I was thinking if only I had a 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗃𝗃. If you don't know what a 𝗕𝗃𝗃 is, this is a 𝗕𝗃𝗃.
Every time I taste a new donut, it becomes like my favorite. And trust me, I'm not a person that loves chocolate and sweet things, but I can see myself having this, but I'll probably eat it, leave it a couple of minutes, come back to it. So it will probably take me like half an hour to finish this custard donut. These ones I can smash quick because they're not too sweet, you know? But these ones with the chocolate, they're quite sweet, but not too sweet. You could have it, and maybe for people who don't like too much sugar, it will take you quite a minute to finish it, but it's nice. I like the custard one. It's really good. I'll try one more, and then I'll probably tell you later on in the video, like once everybody else has tasted the rest of them, I'll tell you what they thought of them. But I'm not gonna do all of these. It's too much sugar for me. Yeah, but I'm not disappointed. Like if you go to Krispy Kreme, there's quite a range of flavors. If you go there and buy 12 donuts, you won't be disappointed. So this will be cool for like birthday parties. Maybe you have like 20 kids, 30 kids. Buy each one a gourmet donut, which is these ones with like the super chocolate, and the kids come and just pick whichever ones they want. This will be a really good option for them. It saves you a lot of time. The donuts are really good. The perfect donut. No one will be able to recreate this. There's no one. If you think you can make a donut exactly like this, the dough, speak up and say it with your chest, because I don't think there's a person in the world that can do this. Only Krispy Kreme can do this. You can only get this perfection at Krispy Kreme. Is it cheap? No. Is it pricey? Yes. Is it worth it? Of course. Definitely. It's really good. Next one. Okay. So I'll do one more donut. I'll try one more. I've tried the milk tart cookies and cream custard one. Milk tart flavor is not, you know. Maybe if they made some milk tart, put it in there, it would be fire. Cookies and cream, they just crushed up some Oreos, put some icing on the original and sprinkled some cookies over there. And this is the hazelnut. Now I love nuts. And we're about to find out how these nuts taste. This looks like Nutella. Is this Nutella? Looks like Nutella. Yeah, Nutella and hazelnut. Listen, I love me some Nutella, man. I don't play about no Nutella, and I know there's people that's gonna be like, yo, there's this and this and this and Nutella. I don't care. I love Nutella. Never liked sweet things until I got introduced to Nutella. Nutella's fire. Now they made one again, original donut. It seems like they're just frying original donuts and just putting different icings and flavors on it. It would be really cool if they maybe had like a different flavored dough, but obviously I can't tell Krispy Kreme what to do. Or maybe like incorporated, I don't know, a different flavor in the dough. It just seems like all original donuts, and that's the downside for me. And they're just putting on different flavors, but I guess that's how you make donuts, so can't really complain about that. Here's the hazelnut and Nutella donut. Let's try that one. I'm gonna bite it here with the nuts now. Yeah. That's the one. That's the one. I'm not even exaggerating. Yeah. 2 bites is enough for me. Okay. Here's the verdict. Here's the verdict on Krispy Kreme. When you go, I would suggest you try the Nutella and hazelnut. Fire. Cookies and cream, love it. Custard, fire. Original, the best. Everything else, what from looking at these, it's, as you can, it's obviously I can see this is like the chocolate icing here is quite similar. This one have crust Smarties on it. That one has Smarties on it there. I think this one is a flake one, the flake chocolate. And this one has some sprinkles on it. So if you have a girl or daughter, she most probably will take that because it's super vibrant. But this one has the flake on it, same chocolate icing as that one. This one got some crust Smarties on it. Let me just taste what this is. It's very biscuity, and obviously that one is like mousse type of thing, chocolate. But what do I think of Krispy Kreme? Krispy Kreme is dope. I get the hype. I get why it's so popular. I get why people love it so much. Yeah, Krispy Kreme is dope, man. Donuts are really cool. Perfect donut. Can't replicate this. This is fire. Thumbs up. Everybody should try Krispy Kreme, man. Go try you some Krispy Kreme. Even if you just buy one just to say, I've had Krispy Kreme, go and try. Krispy Kreme is dope. And I'm not trying to be like, yo, I'm just saying everything I'm tasting is really good. No. Some of these might be too sweet, but if you have a sweet tooth, yeah. And if you have a kid, take them to Krispy Kreme. That's it, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There's more videos coming. Yeah, Krispy Kreme was dope, man.